Megan is at SM. Oh. Girl, come on. Good girl, come on. Grocery, you push na your push cart. That is your push cart. Oh. You could bump, Go. Come here, baby. Oh. Stand up. Push. Come here, Megan. Come here na. Oh. Grocery. Hey. Yay! Yay! Okay. Come on. Push it. Oh, that's your cart? Is that your cart, Megan? Is that your push cart? What are you up to? Oh, that's your push cart. Oh, boom! Oh, you could bump. Ay, be careful, ha? You could bump into people. Come on na. Oh. Yeah, come here na. Let's go na. We're going to shop. Push your cart. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Are you tired? Let's go na. We go shopping. Come here. We're going to buy fruits. We're going to buy apples. Come here. This way, Megan. This way, Megan. You're tired? Okay, let's go.